What's up, guys? Your friend is here, Transmind. I'm playing a Redstone collaborations with my cousins.
And
Oh yeah, we're creative. Let's do some creations.
okay,
I'ma do a gun.
I know this. I am the smartest. But I never.
Bro, guys, don't listen to my cousin. He ain't that smart. He's the most kid on us.
And you're the youngest.
No, bro,
So now
you're lying.
you're a liar.
You're the youngest.
You call me Tito. So I'm not going to go.
Bro, are you going to record, bro? You guys subscribe to my other cousins. They try to make the best content. They make the best content.
Medicine right here. Oh, I see you're doing a
Nah, bro's calling this basic. Nah, jet tripping.
No, I was calling Peter's.
Blood just said his a younger man, Ninong. We're Filipinos, so
No, do not press that button. This lever.
bro, make some redstone creations. Then if you're a referee, make some creations too.
Okay, press it, referee. No, just joking. It will explode the whole world.
Bro, what what the hell is this? Bro, that's the weakest cannon ever.
Yeah.
Lol. Even a cannon event is stronger.
Yeah. Bruh! Your water!
Bro, I
Your
this.
water is gone. Why is it like that? Get out. It's
Bro!
just 3 blocks. Rain, your water is just 3 blocks.
Why did you just place some barriers here?
There's no wires. Bro, how did you know?
I literally tried to get in. I can't. Can you guys help me filling this up? Wait, I have an idea.
This is not a wall. I said my phone is lagging. Ah, I got it. I haven't even thrown it yet. Dumba.
As you can see, my cousins are clearly some dumb people.
I'm not.
Yeah.
You are dumb. You're dumb. You are
Guys, can you please... Wait, I have a technique.
I'm just going to. I just want to
Bro, is this the only one that's filling? Bro, fill this up with TNT.
Bro, I'm
Why did you break this?
I'm literally lagging. Ayoko.
Why am I shaking? Guys, an automatic jumping machine.
I'm going to ruin your video.
What are you doing?
I just left. How did you do that?
No IDC.
Bro, you dumb. I just left again. How do you eat? I eat garden. That is probably.
These are the last ones. That sounds like Jumbo Juice.
I'm in.
Guys, maglagay tayo ng...
Do not play that game. The Dino Diamond is a instant game. That won't work. That's not even a suspicious sign.
That is suspicious sand.
No, it won't work even if it's suspicious sign. That will only work if it was
I'm trying to hide this.
it won't work like literally. What do you do? It will only work if it's natural. What do you do? Reason is my cousin going addicted.
What the? They're just right there.
Blood angel. That is the blood angel. Bro. Just collabing mo ako.
Hey, Infinite TNT.
Yuri! Come here! Press this! Press this button! Follow me! Hey! Follow me, press that button.
Bruh, blood's a dumb one.
That's just a basic. What? It's not even hidden, bro.
I'll give you a cool one.
Hmm? What did you say?
No, I don't like Mobile Legends.
No, I was talking to you. You think you're better? Better than naga ako, Yuri. What would you rate his engineering with redstone from 1 to 10?
Negative 100. Your PP is a nigger.
What does it even do? What is this? What is this? What is this?
You only have a level 10 gyat.
Level what? Level what?
Level 10 gyat.
Sino?
Dito rin, no?
Level 5 lang.
Ah.
Level 5. Level 1. Let's just survive with if you're going to ask what my cousin's favorite horse, it's Redstone. Let's go. Thank you.
Bro, what the hell are you doing?
It's no funny. It's funny. It's all,
Bro, that's not how it works.
but it works. The lever isn't hidden. It's a door, bro.
Bro, imagine a door with only one doorknob in the back.
Nah, it will work. Here. Danget.
Bro, why is it so lagging? Bro, it's lagging.
You're the only one recording. That's not true. You're not recording.
Rip. Bro! Stop messing my redstone up!
I'm not even in your...
Not you.
I know. I'm just joking. Good.
This is because of you, that's why it's not working.
3, 2, 1. Open! Bro, this doesn't work. Nowadays. It's making it fail more, dumbass. What is this? You didn't even finish your cannon, dumbass.
Yep, that's the only dumbest in our fan.
You need to fix this. This is my creation. This is my creation. Fix it. Dumbass. Come on, zombie.
Bro.
I'm the most.
Bro!
What? The dumbest people. Tinining! Tinining! Joke lang.
This is because of him.
Yeah.
Bro! What is this?
Okay, this is where. Ah, gagana to.
Why is it just straight?
Tingnan mo ang ginagawa. We're not recording anymore. Tingnan mo yung redstone. He's doing shot. Hindi shot. He's punishing the islet. Look, Louis, sabi. Jem, kasali na ako. Joke lang. Mali. want it again. Inubos kami. Louie, look! I have 64 fire charge in that. Fire charge didn't even do anything. Pero nagawa na pag ganito.
Bro, you're not smart, bro. No, not that one. Observers. Bro, replace that again.
What?
The dispenser.
I am dispenser. You're
There.
dispenser.
Then, put the fire charges in.
If I was a principal, I would.
Finally.
Ayaw na mag-stop eh. Ayun pa. Mabilis ang gamot sa dagat. Ano ka, mas mabilis ang gamot, no? Yui, ayaw na. Ano, mag-stop? Ano nga, nalagay? Ano ka? Ah! Wag talaga po, Lola. Lagi niyo po yan, ha? Lagi niyo po yan, Lak, ha? Masabay na rin ako. Ate, bilisan mo daw dyan. Iiwanan ka namin pag hindi ka natapos. Pagdali lang, Ana, hindi pa tapos eh. Maaga-aga, nagmamadali ka pa. Maaga pa. Tara, ate, pakakas tayo. Maaga pa.
Teka, Ana. Huwag kang tumuko. Baka madapa ka.
Madaling araw pa lang. Matapos ko yung unggoy. Yung mga klase ko nga nakagat dati. Ang tao pa naman ang sugat niya.
Yan ang spaghetti. Tapos, tatlong fried chicken. Dalawang nito. Tapos tubig lang ng isa. Okay na yan.
Hindi naman po yung totoo po, Lola eh. Gawa-gawa po ni ate po yun.
Boss, ang dito sa Jollibee matandang pinapakalit mo. May kasama sa dalawang bata. Sige, ang matandang ang bulan ba? Ang matandang pa kayo na pera? Oo, boss. May matagal na ito kalaban sa atin. Ano, boss? Kirahan na ba namin dito paglabas? Sandali. Kung muna kayo magpadalos-dalos, baka maraming makakita. Mabuti pa, antayin mo silang matapos. Sa kasundot mo sa bahay nila. Eh, boss, paano pa rin mga bata? Mas papatayin yung ulit matanda. Tapos isapin yung mga bata. Ganun yun ito para may pagkain tayo. Sige, boss. Kami na bahala. Malapit na rin sila matapos eh. Nakakabang na kami dito sa labas. Sige,
Kakainin.
siguradong hindi ko siya makakatakas. Ayaw kong sasabihin kayo. Dahil kayo magiging pinagsabihin. Ang tagal naman yata nila matapos. Ano bang ginagawa nila sa loob? Si Paro pala gusto yata sila. Hindi naman sila. Hindi na sila pre. Ano, sundan naman natin. Sundan muna pre. Huwag mo sila titignan. Basta kayo makalan dyan.
There. My perfect. Di train. Merong treasure din eh. Train. Si train. May treasure din sa aking area. Pindutin mo.
Boss, nandito na kami sa labas ng bahay ng matanda. Nasundan na namin siya. Mukhang tatlo lang sila nakatira dito. Ano boss? Papasukin na ba namin? Hindi na. Pantayin niyo pang makatulog. Tapos sa kanyang pasukin. Mag-ingat kayo sa kanya. Magpapantay siya sa mga swam.
Ate, malapit na yung secret. Malapit punta tayo sa kanila, eh. Ano gusto mo ngayon makita doon? Siyempre, akin na. Eh, ikaw, ano gusto mo? Gusto ko tigres. Mabilis kasi yung tumakbo eh. Tapos maganda ng tao.
Tama sa ating babaeng balita. Dalawang bangkay ng lalaki ang natagpuan ang pangalitan sa ito ng
Kawawa, namatay.
ayon sa mga estudyante. Ay sinilala ang dalawa bilang Ronaldo, 40 anyos, at Berto, 42 anyos. Hanggang sa mga oras na to, ay hindi pa rin natukoy ang mga salarin sa nasabing krimen. Pero hinihimala ng ilang estudyante na gawa ito ng mga
Ano? Tara na, mag-markball daw tayo.
Na pagkamatay ng mga hayop sa kanilang lugar. Ang sabi pa ng iba ay nakita pa rin nila ang nasabing aswang